Here we go. They came in, Gary, to clean up all the water mess from that damaged pipe. It's so loud in here. That fan's going. They ripped up the carpet here. That makes sure I don't fall or trip. And there's another fan there. Those are the holes. And then if you go out here, let's step over this. There's more fans. And there's carpet that don't trip over there. That's a big humidifier to take the water out of the air. This is the bathroom. Getting the water from underneath that wood. It's got a dehumidifier with the hose going into the bathtub there. Huh. Amazing, huh?